Today I'm going to introduce you 5 best free cryptocurrency research websites and tools, which is introduced in the very common and interesting website called medium.com. The first website is called CoinLobster. Enter the website. The first tab is live combined order book. As you see, there's a combined order book data and it's updated each second by live data, and there are 10 different markets and platforms or websites. It makes Bybit, Binance features, Binance itself, Bitstamp, Coinbase, and it's shown by a different color in every diagram. You can see what's going on by the makers and the takers here, and here you can select the pairs which you want to study in the market. Well, for the people who like the DeFi trades, there is a live combined DeFi trading charts. We load it, and you can see here the markets of the DeFi trading platforms: Uniswap version 2, Uniswap version 3, SushiSwap, and the amounts per each platform by the timeline here. It's a easy graph, and these are the amounts, transactions, and the times and dates of the each big transaction per each platform, as you see. And in the sidebar is the tokens that we are looking for. USD coin, USDC is the first one, wrapped ether, and also the Uniswap version 3, as you see the pairs and all the information. And this is the pie graph of the trading volume and total value, which is locked in each platform. Here is the search bar for the tokens you want to compare or study about. For example, this one, you select it, it's the contract address, and you can wait for the data of each transaction or each pair we want to study about, like this. For example, it has just one transaction registered in this website. Okay, DeFi whale trades. These are the big amounts of the trading related to the whales in last 24 hours. For example, CRUS per USDT. As you see, some kind of billions of dollars. And also this is the price that's been swapped in this transaction in which exchange, Uniswap version 2, what time, and the transaction address. As you see, it says many information and gives you many knowledge about the recent transactions. Liquidation watch, long this amount of Bitcoin, about 74 tethers worth position liquidation at this price of Bitcoin has taken place, and these are the rest of them. The green ones are long position and the red ones are the short position. As you see, this is the time of the liquidation, and you can check the pairs. For example, Ethereum in the long position, as you see, because of the recent days market change, we have many of long positions took place in this price, 2660 USDT this time. Okay, as you see, this website gives us some fundamental data and about the exact times and dates about the cryptocurrency liquidation, DeFi, whales, and combined order books and combined DeFi trades. The next website that we're going to check is Glassnode. Glassnode, as I have introduced you past videos, is a very useful website, web-based tool to have a good fundamental analysis studies. Here you can view the charts. And about the Glassnode, we should say that it's not for free every time. Some of the data and charts are free, but if you pay $29 per month or $800 per month per professional membership, you will see many other advanced tools. For example, these are the charts, and in the Glassnode, this is the Glassnode Studio charts part. For example, for the Bitcoin, what are the addresses? This is the resolution for 1 day, or you can check it per week, per day, per hour. And this is the chart of the weeks of the Bitcoin history. This is the time. You can set it by any time and date you want, and also see the number of the active addresses. As you see, we have had a great reduction in Bitcoin addresses here, and about 14th June of 2021, but it's going upward up to this time, 15th November 2021. So we can zoom it per day and see what's going on here. As we see, there is going to be a slight reduction again in the Bitcoin active addresses. And here you can see the derivatives of each coin, which is called the related tokens. And here the distributions also, which wallets have the most amount of each token, such as Bitcoin. For example, addresses with balance more than 100 Bitcoins, more than 10,000 Bitcoins, 1,000 Bitcoins. And if you click on them, you can see here that you need to log in or sign up for advanced plan view. But as I told you, it's very easy to log in or sign up. And if you need more data, you can pay the pricing system of this website in order to use the data. There are some dashboards here, and you can see there are many other special tools and also the exchanges, which many of them need to sign in. After you sign in, you hit OK. I logged in, and let's see what happens in the exchanges charts, Bitcoin balance on exchanges, and this is what we see here in the specific dates. As you see the exchanges names, and it's a 2 year. You can reduce the timeline by week, and this is the week and the price. This is the Bitcoin net transfer volume from or two exchanges. The green one is two exchanges and the red one is from exchanges. As you see, there's a negative sign. That means it's taken out of the exchanges. And here we have something equal to each other according to all exchanges data. Minus 966, and this is minus 12. And as you see, it's something equal in recent dates. You can see what's happening by the miners. As you see, the chart is coming, and mean hash rate is 157, and this is the Bitcoin price here. As you see, miners are reducing extremely fast, and this is not a good sign for Bitcoin. When you are trying to study some fundamental in each token of the cryptocurrency, you should see what's going on by the miners. And it doesn't matter what's kind of mining, it's work of proof of work, or proof of whatever, staking, or any kind of proofings. When something's reducing in the miners, it means its network is experiencing a great trouble. Okay, and also it has the TradingView alerts and workbench pulses and whatever. Here we have another website, Messari, and also CoinGecko. I have already talked about in past videos. TradingView also I have talked in past videos, but Glassnode was so important that I tried to repeat some information about it with you. If you prefer, you can go back to the past videos about Glassnode. But Messari, let me show you, is this. Again, you should log in or register in it. This is Messari. Messari is a crypto data aggregator. It means the collector of the data for advanced traders that want a deeper look into the market through data analysis. Messari is not useful functions such as the screener, research and filter tool across more than 100 metrics, and classifications cost about $25 per month, so it's not for free in the professional kind. And again, it has charts, it has, for example, top assets, top DeFi's, smart contracts, something like the Glassnode or the CoinLobster, about the currencies and exchange tokens. As you see, charts are updated in live condition, and this is the user interface. It's completely different from the past websites I told you. You can add some tokens to the watch list, and also here you can see what's going on related to the market cap of each token. And also, for example, in 2 days ago, we have some topics related in February the 3rd, weekly recap ending news and explanation. In the all news, you can see everything about every token which is taking place. This website aggregates all the data. All eyes on Asia, crypto's news chapter post China, ontology, Valentine's celebration, and etc. It's 1414 news. And also here the governors, for example, increase space in SNX pool, Phantom Starter, X, Spooky Swap Stake, and everything about the data. This is the Intel part, Messari list. Here you can change the timings, of course, of the filtering the data. Top screeners, for example, we select the all assets. Here we have the new window. Okay, this is the all assets part. As you see, you can see everything live related to each token. And we can find out what's going on in the crypto market, micro or macro point of view. Okay, buddies, thank you for watching. Please introduce the channel and the videos to your friends and buddies. Make some comments and like and subscribe the channel. Have a nice time. Bye bye for now.